Welcome to another video. In this one, I will show you how you can rank a list of numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's check it. Let's open the Excel here. There is an example Excel. I might put a link to this file in the description if you want to practice with it, but you can make your own practice Excel file. So what we have here is a simple Excel with name and score. This could be scores for exams or any grading system where you need to sort. You have a various grading system, ranking system. You want to sort these names by the score, by their rank. You have here, there is a list of grades. Grading system doesn't really matter, it's just an example. And you can have a column rank. And here I will add the ranking for each user, each name. And I will go to the formula option here and I search for rank. You can use rank average, or RANK.EQ. This EQ one will give you the top rank of the values. Rank average, it's more or less. You can use simple rank for if you have older versions of Excel for compatibility. And I'm in this box here and I want to click the number. I'm here in the number cell. While I'm here in the number text box, I go and I click the score. I want to rank the current score. And afterwards I click again in reference. This is going to be the whole table. And actually here, instead of selecting this range, B2 and B11, I could select the whole column. So B, comma, colon, B and colon or semicolon, B colon, B is the whole column. And the order could be descending or ascending. If you want the order to be descending, you put 0 or leave it empty. And if you want to have it in the ascending order, you put anything that is not 0. So let's put 1 here, or put it descending. You put 1, it's ascending. Okay, let's start with 0, descending. And we have here, then we have this. This is the rank 6, but you would want to have this on all these columns. So to do this, there is this nice autofill option in Excel. You go to this autofill corner and double click there. When you do this, the formulas, they update. You see this formula on row 7 is B6 and BB. And 0 the same, so it's taking the value B6 on the 6th row here. So the highest rank, which is the descending, so the highest number here is considered to be the highest rank, and it's David, this one. This is the highest rank. And you can sort by rank, largest to smallest, and 76 is the lowest number. Now these numbers here, they might be the same, so let's try to make this one the same. And now it gives us the average, exactly why we use the rank average. So they are equal, these two. And if you want to change the sort order, and I keep them in the same order, and the idea is that you can actually sort this Excel by the score, really, and you get the data in this order 1, 2, 3, the whole table. But the rank function is really useful when you don't want to sort the data. You have, for example, alphabetical list, and you don't want to change the values in the list. You just want to get the rank for each one, so you know you can use this for another formula further on. Now, if I want to change the order of the rank, I can either click on the function, I can either click on the cell first and click on the function button here and update the formula, or I click on the cell and I click here on this formula bar and it shows me a nice option about what data it takes from where, and I can just update it there. I do an update and it's done. You see it changed here. When you go outside of the formula, press escape so you don't change it. But you see the next one is 0. So I have to double click again on the corner. So they are all updated now. So now the rank 1 is Hannah, which was the last one before. And if we make this one the same, 76, it will be 1.5. And if you change it to the old style of rank, I changed the first one, but the second one is still there, so I want to do the autofill. I want to do the autofill, so now we have (76) and 76, they are both the same rank. And if I want to change the rank to RANK.EQ, if I want to change the rank to RANK.EQ, it will give the same result as the old style of rank. So this is up to you how you choose to have the rank, but this is a really quick way to use the rank function. Okay. Don't forget to save your documents. That's it. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you like this video by commenting below and hitting the like button so I know that this video helped you. Write in the comment section below how this video helped you and what you want to know more about Excel, Windows, and Microsoft Office in general. Don't forget to subscribe so we get to that 100,000 subscribers. Help me get to... Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos about Excel tips and Office tips. And subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time. That's it. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you... That's it. That's it. Camera started, recorder started. Recording the Excel tips video with the separate sound. Okay. Let's start now. Lock. Display. Welcome to another video. In this one, I'll show you... Welcome to another video. In this one, I will show you how to rank numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's check it. Welcome to...